Watch the video from start to finish to see how you can protect your bird from the heat this summer. If you want to know what it is, watch the video from start to finish without skipping. So let's find out how to make bath your budgies in this summer. I am using high pressure garden pump water gun spray bottle trolley mini manual spray for bathing. This way you can bathe your birds for 5 to 6 minutes well. I will give the link of this product in my description. It is available from Amazon. You can go and buy it directly from there. Don't forget to like the video, and if you like it, share the video with everyone and subscribe. And press the bell icon so that you get notifications when my next videos are uploaded.